Have you been learning English for a long time, but still struggle to understand native English speakers? Have you been taking English classes for years, but do not see much progress in your English spoken language? For your English speaking abilities? Do you get nervous and make mistakes when you have to speak English with others? Do you get confused listening to people while listening to people when speak others? Don't worry about speaking in English. How to make a specific goals related to your learning English. Some tips I am going to teach you now to improve your speaking, listening, and spoken skills in English. What resources are available to improve your English language? It is helps you to learn English in your free time. Spend at least half an hour a day. It is frustrating to study English and speaking English, not to see results. You deserve to learn. Why you may not be seeing results, what you can do to see improve your English language skills. There are so many classes you are listening, and you have teachers and you have books, and now we have so many websites available. That websites that try to speak, and that is websites give you some advices, but the best way is learning English is speaking with others. In this class you will improve your English. I will provide you with many different ideas, tips, and resources that you will find and helpful and will be able to use. Try right now. Why do you want to speak English fluently? This is the first question. Each person has a different reasons to speak English, and why you want to speak English fluently. Some many want a better job. Some want to travel other countries. Some they want to make new friends. No matter what your reason is for learning English, you need to commit to learn English. There is no magic formula to learn English. There is no method to learn English. To learn English in a day, there is no formula, there is no method, there is no idea. And only one thing is that is you are. You need to set a goal and stick to how to improve your language skills and plan to improve your language skills. Each person has different goals. We know that. Some of the methods we are now discussing that sometimes it will not work for you, sometimes it will work for others. The most important thing is that try it yourself. Not that you try once in a while to improve your English skills, but that you commit to at least 10 to 15 minutes a day to improve your English. And this is very practically, and it is very actionably, it is very practically, highly actionable to you to learn this English language. My goal is to help you to speak in English, but better English by giving you some helpful tricks and some resources, some ideas you are going to learn from this class. My name is Kandula Tirupati. I am a teacher and also a language learner. It is my goal to give you practical advice, tips, and different tricks that allow you to improve your English language skills. One thing that challenged me when I was trying to learn my second language was finding information, techniques, and activities to help me improve. I spend a lot of time surfing the websites to finding the resources. There are so many, and at times I would get overwhelmed and not know Which way was the best way to, to learn a new language? Many people have beliefs that limit their language learning. It hinders learning there because they think they can't learn English because of the belief or thought that they keep telling themselves over and over again. Don't think that so I am too old. You are never too old to learn something that new. It is not true there is an age limit. It may, however, be more difficult as time goes on, but you are up for a challenge. Instead of making excuses what what you aren't learning, keep track of what you know and what you have learned. You could try to learn one new word a day. Write at least 2, 3, 4 sentences in a day. Spend at least 10 minutes focusing on English. If you take small steps to learning English, you will learn. List of words you know, just what you learned. Don't get stuck on what you don't know. The more positive you are about your learning an English language, the better it will stick in your mind.